Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing the machine. Make sure your OS is compatible and you have at least 1 GB free. Once ready, close gaming apps and unplug extra USB devices to avoid driver conflicts. Then locate the Logitech G Hub installer you downloaded. Check the file name and size so you know it's complete. Double-click to run with admin rights if prompted. This step gets the installer to claim necessary drivers. Do it now so the next phase runs cleanly and without interruption. You'll see the installer unpack and request permission for drivers and background services. Accept those prompts. During installation, allow firmware updates for any connected Logitech device. This synchronizes hardware and software versions. If a device is missing, reconnect it only when the installer asks, so the proper driver binds immediately. Make sure to enable G Hub to run at startup if you want persistent lighting and profiles. Once the progress bar finishes, the app launches and detects peripherals automatically. Move on to personalization next. You finish by signing into a Logitech account to back up profiles, then apply a profile and test buttons, lighting, and DPI changes. If everything responds, reboot once to ensure drivers load at startup. If a device isn't detected, first disconnect and reconnect, then reinstall G Hub. If problems persist, open Device Manager, uninstall any ghost or old Logitech drivers, and run the installer again as administrator. This cleans conflicts and usually resolves detection issues. Use these steps before seeking support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.